Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making this video because I'm going to polish my car today. I'm going to use the compound on my car because I have a lot of micro scratches on my car. So let me show you. Okay, so I can show you from here. As you can see, this is a scratch, and there is one more here. You can see small scratches. I don't know how did I get those scratches even after having a membership since I bought the car. And on the door on the other side, and right here I have a lot of them, as you can see now. See that with the phone you can probably see better. I don't know how. I don't have key. This is keyless entry car. This, I don't know how did I get those, but I have no idea. So that I'm gonna try to repair, and let's clean it first. And there are gonna be a couple of them here also. Let's let the camera, here we go, focus. See, you have to just look at actually closely. Right now it's just reflecting too much, so it's hard to see. Alright, so this is the side mirror. Let's see how it's gonna work on it. Now you can see a lot of small scratches, and so let's see. So first you need to clean your surface with the rubbing alcohol, and mix it with the water, and clean the surface first, and then apply the compound on the pad, and apply that on the surface, like rub everywhere, and then start like doing the compounding process. And it should not take that long. If you have like very like small micro scratches, it's easy to clean those. And I did not spend too much time on this, but like one coat, and that was doing this job very easily. So I did only compound, but I did not have a polish right at the same time. But the problem is it was getting dark, so I have to do the half car. So I did the front bumper, I did the hood, I did the two side fender, and one of the door that I showed you in the video. This is where the most scratches were, so I did only those parts, and it did. I'm pretty impressed with that, and I did not spend a lot of time on it. It was pretty easy if you just like use the polisher like 1 minute on that surface with the compound on, and then the same wipe it off, and then put the polish and then on the same surface, and then do the polishing again for like 1 minute, and the micro scratches will be gone. It was pretty much clean. So that's what I did. I'm using this drill on the bumper because the small edges, the other polisher is quite big. It's like 10-inch wide, so it was hard to do with that here on the front bumper. And there were car both side of my car, so that's why I was not showing when I did the side mirror and the side door. So just to give you guys idea that you can do this by yourself. The compound did work. It was pretty easy to do, and I will probably make more video when I will do the whole car, and I will show you guys. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below, and I will definitely answer. So you can see in the bumper, it makes a lot of difference just for like 1-2 minutes of polishing. Okay guys, so it's probably not gonna make more sense of you guys because I was showing the front bumper, but now I'm showing the side mirror. So while I was polishing the side mirror, I did not record the video. There was there was a tight space, so I could not record the video. So as you can see in the video, when I showed the side mirror, it was a lot of scratches was there, and now it's pretty much like, let's say 80-90% are gone. And this is the side door. As you can see, I showed you before, there was a lot of scratches. Right now there is only a couple of them, maybe like very tiny, which is barely noticeable. So it did work. It did not took long to remove that, and I'm pretty happy with the result. And all I have to do is now I'm gonna use the black shiny polish on my car, and I will make separate video for that. So this is the comparison I'm gonna show you guys right here, side by side. As you can see, before and after. Look at your left side, a lot of scratches there, and look at your right side, all those micro scratches are gone with just one round of compound that I did there, used there, and it's literally cleaned most of the micro scratches. It does work. And the second step is you have to actually polish after that, which it was getting dark, so I did not have much time to polish after that. So if you find this video helpful, do subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be posting more videos soon about the polishing the whole car, and I will tell you what you guys need and how you have to do it. And yeah, until then, take care guys, and I will see you guys in the next time.